Hello dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video we will tackle this type of sum. So how to find x value. So let's start. I will use 27 as 3's power 3 and whole of the power x plus there have 3's power x is equal to 130. After that I know this is 3's power x and whole of the power x. I can write here 3's power x as it is equal to 130. So now I put there let 3's power x is equal to y. So I will substitute there as a 3's power x y. So 3's power y plus 3's power x I will let here y, and this is 130. So now I will write here y's power 3 plus y's, and this is right hand side I can write here minus 130 and left hand side and right hand side is equal to 0. So now this is our first equation. So I have find x. I will find x. So सबसे पहले we know that first of all we find y's value. So how to find y value? I will substitute there y as a 1 power 3 plus 1 minus 130 is equal to 0. So this is not a satisfy to this equation. When I put there 2, this is not also not satisfy. When I put there y is equal to 5, so 5, so y's power 5 is 125 plus 5, and this is minus 130. So this is 130 minus 130 is equal to 0, and 0 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 5. So this is satisfy the equation. So we know that our first factor is 5. So I can write here equation first divide by y minus 5. When I divide by y minus 5 this equation, so we get y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. When I divide by y minus 5 to y cube plus y minus 130, so we will get this type of equation. So I can satisfy y cube plus y square plus 26y, and this is minus 5y square, and this is minus 25y, and 5 की 26 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so we get minus 130 is equal to 0. So there this is cancel. What we get, this is plus 26y minus 25y, so we will get plus y, and this is minus 130 is equal to 0. So this is the satisfy our equation because we get this type of equation. This is our first equation. So we have this is 2 factor, so I will write here to this factors y minus 5 is equal to 0, and this is y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. So this is our a, this is our quadratic equation. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 26. When I find there d, b square minus 4ac, so over b square is 25 minus 4a over 1, and c over 26. So this is 25 minus and this is over 464, and this is over 104, and when I less there in it, this is 9, and this is 7, this is minus, so this is less than 0, so this is give us imaginary values, so I will reject this equation. So over y's value is 5, so we get y's value 5 by this equation. So but we let y as a 3's power x is equal to y, so I will put there 3's power x is equal to y, so over y is 5, so 3's power x is equal to 5. Now I will use their log on both side, because we find x value. So how to find? When I use their log, so when I use their logarithm, so it will come forward, x come forward, and log 3 is equal to log 5, and I will divide by log 3 to this equation, because we got x value. So this is x log 3 by log 3 is equal to log 5 upon log 3. This is cancel out, and what we get, we know that log a base of e upon log b base of e is equal to log a base of b. So I will use there this formula. This is type of logarithm function property I will use in this section. So this is give us log 5 base of 3, and this is cancelled, so x value is equal to log 5 base of 3. Now we got x value, this is our x value, so I will satisfy the equation by this x value. So we have equation this 27 power x plus 3's power x is equal to 130, and we got x value, x is equal to log 5 base of 3. So this is our equation, and we find x is equal to log 5 base of 3. So I will put there this value 27, x value we got log 5 base of 3 plus 3's power log 5 base of 3 is equal to 130. Now we find this value, so what is this? Log 5 upon log 3. So we know that log 5's value is approximately 0.699, and log 3's value approximately we got 0.477. When I divide to by this, so we got approximately 1.465. so log 5 upon log 3, what is this? This is nothing but log 5 base of 3. So I will use this value as a log 5 base of 3. So I will use there log 27 power 1.465 plus 3's power log 5 as a log 5 1.465 is equal to 130. Now we know that 27's power 1.465 is 125.0109. This is nothing but I will use there 125 plus this is the value of this, and 3's power 1.465 is equal to 5. So and right hand side we have 130. When I add 125 plus 5, we got 130, and this is also right hand side 130. So this is equation satisfy our value, satisfy our equation. So we got this value of x. थैंक यू गाइज. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, लाइक एंड कमेंट ऑल्सो.